What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix fail to install BattlEye GTA 5 on your system and how we can fix this up. So let me directly get into a step. First one, we need to update the Windows. So just go over here, search for the settings and click on the settings. Now from here we need to scroll down and over here at the bottom, or you can navigate to the bottom over here in the bottom left, click on the Windows Update. Now from here you have to check for the Windows update. So if you're having any kind of pending updates and all those things, just update your system. That's what you have to try as the first step. Afterwards, you have to close this and you have to check. Next one, we need to uninstall the third-party antiviruses. So if you find any antiviruses, for example, any antiviruses, just uninstall everything and you have to check. Next one is all about, just go over here on the Steam. So right now, as you can see in the Steam, I'm actually updating the GTA 5 and I'm downloaded the GTA from the Steam. So right click over here and go to the properties and directly navigate to the installed files and just go for the browse. And right now if you have any folder named the BattlEye, so right click over here and go for delete it. You have to delete the BattlEye and you have to close this. Then you just need to go back, now verify integrity of the game file. So that's going to take a little bit of time because the game is around 100 GB. So just do this. So it is going to cross check every single files of a game. And if any files are corrupted and if any files are missing, and all these kind of issues will be fixed by this particular step. So you have to try this. Next one, let me keep this in the background. And that one is all about, just go over here, search for the run command and you have to press enter. And right now we have to go for msconfig and you have to press enter. That's going to take you to this. And right now over here in the general, make sure that you're in the normal startup, and also you put a check on this particular normal startup and go for apply and go for OK. And once afterwards you have to close this, right? And now we need to just go over here, search for the run command once again and you have to press enter. This time we need to type services.msc and press enter, or you can just go over here, just remove everything, close this, and you can just go over here, search for the services, and that's going to take you to the services page. Now from here we have to scroll down and navigate to BattlEye. So if you find anything named BattlEye over here, you have to check for BattlEye. So if you don't find BattlEye, don't have to worry. What you need to do is just select the BattlEye from here, right click on it, go for the properties. Now from here what we need to do is you have to make sure it is in the startup type is manual, and you have to make sure one more thing, the service status is start. If it is stopped, you have to run it, so click on the start, so it will be running. Once afterwards you have to close this and close this as well. Go back to the run command once again, press enter. This time we need to type msconfig once again. Now from here the startup selection should be changed into selective startup. Make sure the load system service and load startup item is selected and go for apply and go for OK. And once afterwards you have to check if there is an issue. Just go over here on your browser, you have to open your browser. Now just go over here, and this browser you have to search for Uninstaller Pro. What I'm recommending is just go for Uninstaller Pro for Windows. Just go to this one, which is Revo installer. Just go to this particular site. Now from here you can just close this and go for free download. So we are actually having the free downloaded, so you can check this. So if I go over here, the Revo Uninstaller free, you can just go for the free download. So just download it. So it's going to take a little bit of time. You have to download the free download. Make sure you should not be purchasing this where you have to pay around $17.97, so you don't have to pay. Once after it's successfully done, we just need to go over here and click on this particular icon. So we need to install it, and just go over here, and I'm going to demonstrate you how we can install it. Just go over here and you can just get into this particular over here, or you can just go back. Now let me go over here, right click and go for extract all and go for it. And once it's successfully extracted, you just need to make sure the process is going to get completed. So it's going to take a little bit of time. So once done, just get into this folder, and we have the Revo U port. Right click on this one. So this is the installer. So just go for yes. Then what happens is it's going to get installed over here. So close everything. and you have to install this one. So we have these, and what we need to do is, as you can see, we have the Rockstar games and the Rockstar SDK. So what we need to do is right click on this one and you can uninstall it. Just go for uninstall, and also you have to do the same for the Rockstar SDK. Go over here and uninstall it. After uninstalling, most probably you will not be having the issue. This time afterwards you do all these steps, just go back to the launcher and you have to launch it once again. Like you have to run it as an administrator. Just go over here, search for the Rockstar, make sure that you run it as an administrator and go for yes. So after the Rockstar is run as an administrator, most probably you will not be having the issue, and this is what you have to do. So this is going to take a little bit of time. So these are the steps, and I hope this video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.